You guys were asking for a web series recommendation video, so here it is. In this video, we will discuss 9 best web series in India. So without any further delays, let's start the video. Criminal Justice. It is an Indian web series based on criminal justice by Peter Moffat, adapted for India by Sridhar Raghavan. Well, this is one of those crime thriller web series in India in which I witnessed having some really intricate instances, which are enough to play with your mind completely. Lead by Vikrant Massey and Pankaj Tripaঠি's mind-blowing performances, this series has an IMDb rating of 7.5 out of 10. If you love to watch crime thrillers, then this one is for you. Betal. I was completely shocked when I checked the IMDb rating of this series. It has just 5.6 out of 10. पता नहीं कौन से सस्ते नशे करके ये लोग रिव्यूज देने जाते हैं. Seriously बोल रहा हूँ, it is one of the best horror web series in Netflix right now. If you love the movies based on zombie stories like World War Z and I Am Legend, then you will love this one as well. College Romance. If you are bored in this lockdown and want some genuine laughter, check this out. A sweet and simple story of 3 best friends and their love stories. I will recommend this specially to my final year friends. देख लो यार, एक बार और अपनी college life जी लो. With an IMDb rating of 9 out of 10, this series is one of the best comedy series available on YouTube. Asur. When mythology is added with suspense and thrill, the content is always gonna be awesome. We have seen this earlier in Sangharsh and now in Asur. It's dark, it's mysterious, complicated, yet simple. Everyone has a demon inside them, and this series portrayed it beautifully. Rated 8.5 out of 10 on IMDb, this series is available on Voot app. Special Ops. Neeraj Pandey is a master when it comes to the action and suspense thriller genre, and he once again proved himself with this series. Special Ops is full of action and suspense, with some power-packed performances of the ensemble cast and the invariably immaculate star KK Menon. This series becomes more and more entertaining. With an IMDb rating of 8.6 out of 10, it is a must-watch one for the action lovers. The Family Man. Being a Manoj Bajpayee fan, I could not stop myself from watching this engaging thriller, which is truly based on day-to-day events in our country. It's definitely gripping, and the mixture of spy thriller with a little offbeat types of comedy is highly entertaining. With an IMDb rating of 8.6 out of 10, this series is available on Amazon Prime. TVF Pictures. It is a web series created by The Viral Fever and developed by Arunabh Kumar. It is a perfect combination of comedy and drama, which is relatable, realistic, and hilarious at times. From this series, one will get to know about true relationships of all kinds, learn to make big choices in life, and make sacrifices. It has a huge IMDb rating of 9.2 out of 10, making it one of the best rated web series worldwide. I will recommend you to watch it as it is worth it. Kota Factory. Another beautiful web series by The Viral Fever is Kota Factory. It is the first black and white web series released in India. The reason of it being a black and white theme series is to show simply the colorless life of students who are running in the race of being successful. It is simple and straight with its messaging. With an IMDb rating of 9.1 out of 10, it is the second highest rated series in our list. Kota Factory is available on YouTube. Patal Lok. Right after its release, Patal Lok is ruling the OTT platform in India. It is a crime thriller which is relatable in today's time. As viewers, we can relate to those ground situations, which are shown within the world roaming through Patal Lok. I will highly recommend you all to watch this, not because it is engaging or thrilling, but because of its beautiful messaging. The creators have perfectly captured the problems we are facing in our country in today's day and age. With an IMDb rating of 7.5 out of 10, this series is undoubtedly going to blow your mind. It is available on Amazon Prime, go and check it out. So this is all about 9 best Indian web series. For more recommendations, check out our videos on Bollywood Ramage. And for early updates, follow me on Instagram @Saurav. Thank you for watching.